Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your GPU and driver state. Check model, RAM, and current driver version. Once done, download and install the latest certified driver for NVIDIA or AMD. This fixes performance bottlenecks and enables features. Make sure you have the correct Minecraft edition and matching mod loader like Fabric or Forge. You should also install Optifine or a performance mod early so the game recognizes GPU acceleration. This prevents wasted time later and sets up shader compatibility. Next, configure Minecraft and your system so the GPU is actually used. Open the launcher and set JVM arguments to allocate appropriate RAM, for example XMX4G, and confirm the game runs under your dedicated GPU in the graphics control panel. Then, in Minecraft video settings, enable VBOs, set performance-friendly render distance, and toggle advanced options needed by shaders. If using Optifine or Sodium plus Iris, adjust shader profiles and texture settings. These choices directly impact GPU load and frame rate. Finally, test and optimize. Launch a heavy scene, press F3, and watch FPS, GPU temperature, and RAM use to validate improvements. If performance lags, lower shader presets or render distance, and enable upscaling like DLSS or FSR when supported to boost frame rates. Make sure power settings are on high performance and Java is assigned to the correct GPU. If things still go wrong, roll back or reinstall drivers, disable conflicting mods, and rerun the tests to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.